不问胜负，只求一战。
缘起于剑，情止于心。
你来过这里吗？
没有。哇，你看我好看吗？
Hi, today I want to show you how to run LTX 2.3 with keyframes on my 8GB of VRAM. I got my workflow from here. If you are in Australia, you might get this message. This site will be blocked very soon, so by the time I release this video, I guess it's already blocked. Maybe you need a VPN to access the page if you are in Australia. At the moment, let me click on it. It's still working. We are on the 16th, but it's Australia time. So I have already downloaded workflow. This is the expert one. You can upload up to 4 images. And here you can adjust the resolution and the length in number of frames. So the first one will be the first frame and the last one last frame. And the two in the middle, you can adjust it here. The index, this is the number of frames. You can put the second one here and third one here. So it's very hard to adjust based on the frames. I've got my own workflow. Let me show you my version. This is my version of the workflow. So I have changed a little bit here. I put the resolution here and change the length in seconds instead of frames. The image in between is set by the percentage of the total length. It's about at 1/3 of the total video. And the third one is about half in the middle of the video. So it's easier to adjust. So basically you just adjust the total length in seconds. I think 4 frames are quite interesting for certain use case. There are some comic short story based on 4 frames. For example, this is one of them. I can drop this into Copilot or Gemini and ask it to tell me the story. Actually, it was quite nice. Copilot was even able to extract the dialogue in the story. That's quite nice. Then what I have done is I used Grok to convert the image to photorealistic images and separate in single frames like here. You have to watch out with the duration. If you have a longer dialogue, you need to adjust it accordingly. Of course, with my 8GB of VRAM, as soon as I get the duration up to a certain length, then I have to reduce the resolution. Let me show you this to you. I have tried this out, but I just want to change the seed to make sure I'm getting another video instead of the same one. Okay, then let it run. Okay, it's done. And this is less than 10 minutes. That's not too bad. Let's check out the result.
你是老夫子吗？
没错，没错。
原来真是这个。
Okay, the dialogue is chopped off at the end. What I can do is let me fix the seed and try to run it with a longer duration. Give it 2 more seconds. Okay, it's done. And that's only 532 seconds. It's a little bit more than the previous one. Let's check the result.
你是老夫子吗？
没错，没错。
原来真是这个混蛋。
Okay, this time it didn't cut off the dialogue, but I hate that it's keep on adding subtitle, which is not random text, but still not correct. I don't like this at all. The next one I want to show you with this story. So this one has a lot of dialogue, so I need quite a long video. And I want to challenge it. I just add a background, so I use Nano Banana to convert the panels. But honestly, I don't recommend you to do that because the background is not consistent. You can see here is the lantern here, and all of a sudden the lamp is hanging on the ceiling. In the generated video, you will see some morphing because the background is not matching. Maybe it's better to generate that without background and then add the background to each panel. Okay, let's check out the workflow. As you can see, there are a lot of dialogue here. I have added so many seconds to accommodate the dialogue. And also in this video, I keep on getting the subtitle. I found out sometimes it helps if you change the upscale image a little bit. This one is normally set to 0.5. Basically, it downsizes all the image half and generate the video, then upsize the video. If you see those unwanted subtitles and you want to get rid of it, just try to regenerate it with another value here, just adjust a little bit. That one will change the size of your video as well at the end, but it's not much. Okay, run. Okay, it's done. 600 and a little bit more, so about 10 minutes. That's not bad for 25 seconds of video. Of course, I have reduced the resolution, otherwise I will have problem with the memories. So let's check out the result.
这次公司派你出国考察，需多少时间呢？
时间不会太长的，你放心吧。
送你一件纪念品，这是驾船的鼓儿。
一个玉制的小乌龟，真好看，谢谢你。
再见，你走后会想念我吗？
我当然会想念你的。当我见到这个小乌龟时，就和见到你一样。
Okay, very nice. I'm very happy with the video, but I just don't like the subtitle. That's all crap. Here is not Chinese text at all. Anyway, I think using 4 keyframes is really good to tell those short stories from a comic. That's all about LTX 2.3 using 4 keyframes. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
你是老夫子吗？
没错，没错。
原来真是这个混蛋！
这次公司派你出国考察，需多少时间呢？
时间不会太长的，你放心吧。
送你一件纪念品，这是驾船的鼓儿。
一个玉制的小乌龟，真好看，谢谢你。
再见，你走后会想念我吗？
我当然会想念你的。当我见到这个小乌龟时，就和见到你一样。
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.